Let's take a look at how to manage our events RSVP. If we scroll down, and on the left-hand side we have an Events RSVP tab in our management area. And what this does is, by clicking on Events RSVP, it takes us to the Events RSVP management panel. This is where we can manage all the different events that are existing that I have set up for my site. So if you look at the top, there's a filter, and this is where you're able to say, I want to show the events that are between this date and this date. So for illustration purposes, I chose 7/1/2011 and 10/18/2011. And what it has done is it has aggregated all the different events that have occurred during that time. Back on September 30th, I had 4 people RSVP for my coffee tasting. When I click further, I'm able to see who my attendees are, their company information, as well as their phone number, when they RSVP'd or canceled, and whether or not they have paid for the event. You can see that by having nothing, these people have not paid for the event. Now, it's almost time for me to go to my event, and I want to give the person who's at the front door receiving my guests a printer-friendly version of this list. When I select the printer-friendly version, it brings up a window where I'm able to print out this coffee tasting event RSVP list. Also on the left-hand side, I have checkboxes that is convenient for the person who is receiving the people attending the event, where they are able to check off whether or not that person has attended and whether or not they have paid. I also have a list of my cancellations just for reference as well. I'm also able to have a couple actions that relate to this event, or these list of people. I'm able to select these people, and I'm able to cancel the RSVP, delete the RSVP, resend a confirmation email, resend a cancellation email, as well as I'm able to export to a CSV file or an XLS file, which is commonly used for Excel. Then you hit submit, and I'm able to receive that information. So if I click back to my events up at the top here, I'm able to see all of my events and manage them in this area.